In this video, I'll guide you through how to use tags in Constant Contact. Tags can be a fantastic way to organize and categorize your contacts, allowing you to tailor your communications more effectively. Whether you're managing a large list or simply want to personalize your messaging, tags can be a powerful tool in your email marketing strategy. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of them. First, you'll want to start by heading over to constantcontact.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. If you haven't logged in already, you might need to enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your email marketing activities. Next, look for the Contacts tab. You'll find this in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on it and it will take you to the Contacts section where all your saved contacts are displayed. This area allows you to manage your email lists, add new contacts, and of course, utilize tags. Once you're in the Contacts section, it's time to select the contact or contacts you want to tag. You can do this by checking the checkbox next to each contact's name. This step is crucial as it determines which contacts the tags will be applied to. If you're planning on tagging multiple contacts, simply check the boxes next to each one you wish to include. After selecting your contacts, look for the Actions button. This is usually found near the top of the list, and it's the key to accessing various options for managing your contacts. Click on Actions, and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options you can choose from. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the option to add tags. Click on this and it will open up a new window or a sidebar depending on your interface. This is where you can start managing your tags. If you've already created tags in the past, you can search for them here. Use the search bar to find existing tags that you want to apply to your selected contacts. However, if you're looking to create new tags, this is the perfect opportunity. Simply type the name of the new tag you want into the provided field. Think about how you want to categorize your contacts. Maybe you want to tag them based on interest, location, or any other criteria that makes sense for your marketing efforts. Once you've entered the name of the new tag, it's added to your list. Finally, to complete the process, click Add Tags. This action will apply the selected tags to the contacts you've chosen. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to organize your contacts and ensure that your email marketing is as targeted and effective as possible. And there you have it. This quick guide has shown you how to efficiently use tags in Constant Contact. Remember, using tags is not just about organization, but also about enhancing your communication strategy. By tailoring your messages to specific groups, you can improve engagement and build stronger relationships with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.